A scream in a parking lot uncovered a chain of secrets: drugs, violence, and a fraud scheme worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. It all started with a woman inside a black SUV. Within just a few hours, police would unravel a tangled web of trouble spanning months, and the woman wasn't just a victim. Afternoon of October 21st, 2024, in a quiet parking lot of a public store in Nassau County, a piercing scream echoed from a black SUV. A concerned citizen called 911, reporting, "There's a woman screaming and acting strangely outside the car. She looks very agitated." But no one expected that a seemingly harmless scream would lead to a complex criminal investigation. When officers arrived, the woman was sitting in the passenger seat. The car door was open. No one else was at the scene. But what caught the officers' attention was this. As they approached, she suddenly leaned toward the driver's side. A small move, but far from ordinary. Why did she lean over so quickly? What was she trying to hide inside the car?
Working.
Where does he work at?
Right there at the car wash.
Way down there? Yeah, at the end of the parking lot. Okay, I got you. What, I see you have some bruises on your face. Did something happen? Are you okay?
Officer Barnes took that.
Barnes did?
Yeah.
The other night?
Yeah, Chad Lever's in jail because of it.
I saw that. Chad Lever went for ag assaults. He did that to you?
For battery against strangulation.
Yes, he did. I saw that. That's a felony. I can't believe that. Was he staying out of that shed still?
He's in jail still.
No, before that. Before that.
No.
Hey, so we got a call out here. They wanted us to come check on you because they said that there was a lady outside of a black SUV screaming.
He get his car started. I just want to go home.
Oh. Have you been drinking tonight?
I have.
Okay, you don't want to be driving. Yeah, you don't want to be driving then. Good thing you're in the passenger seat, and we got you over here in the passenger seat, so we can't do a DUI investigation.
He said to wait on him, he'll walk over and he'll get the...
What time does he get off of work?
8 o'clock.
What time is it now? Let me see. 8:30. 8:30, okay.
He has to sweep and empty all the trash and all that.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yeah, that's...
Perfect.
Sorry.
No worries. I see you got a lot of stuff in a lot of places.
I'm beyond disoriented at this point. I don't know what the hell was going on. My phone working.
Ooh, maybe we got to charge it?
No, I had to go up here and have them, like, unlock it and all stuff. Okay.
No dice? No dice? No, okay. Hey, so... Here, you want to see if we can look it up on our computer? Good. If I can get you to step on out. Do you have any shoes or anything? Yeah, if you want to throw them on real quick. 'Cause I know
the bruises on her face said it all. When questioned, she mentioned Chad Lefford, the man who had assaulted her and was now in jail. She said she was waiting for her boyfriend, an employee at a nearby car wash, to come pick her up.
She goes in your pockets and checks. Perfect, thank you so much.
Then, the boyfriend showed up. He embraced her, trying to comfort her. He explained that she had a rough day and was still traumatized by her attacker, but the story didn't stop there.
Hey, okay, we just want to check on her, make sure she was good. We got a few calls.
She's just been having a real stressful day, man.
Okay.
I just got off of work.
You live in Jacksonville?
No, I live right here in front of Dean off the road. I just moved out here. I got to get a change over.
Okay, I got you. What first name, ma'am? There's no reason to cry.
She's been having a bad day. The dude beat her up the other day.
We heard.
Really bad. You know
yeah,
what I mean?
we heard.
I'm so sorry.
Did he get you too?
No, he didn't hit me. If he'd hit me, I'd be in prison again.
What's up with that?
I was moving stuff for her because she's moving to get away from.
Oh, I agree.
The thing came down on my face.
Ooh.
I wish he would have hit me. I wish he was man enough to hit a man.
He'd be dancing though.
He's going.
You know he dances.
Oh, dances?
Yeah, she probably knows.
Well, I did 26 and a half years straight in prison. So I just got out.
You got a letter?
I'm gonna beat him now. That's one number.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I went in September 27th, 1998. They had me on murder, gave me murder 2, gave me 30 years. I did 26 and a half and got out June 13th this year.
Good behavior?
Sir?
Good behavior or time served?
Good behavior.
That makes sense. Okay. We came out there because someone was calling in saying that she's out here screaming and shouting. So we just need to come out here and check on her real quick. Why is she crying?
I haven't been. She's just been having one of those days, man.
Okay, I gotcha.
I'm finna take her home and put her in bed.
Hey, do you have a valid medical marijuana card? No. Is it just a little weed pen in there? Okay, I gotcha. Is there anything else in the vehicle that we need to know about?
No, sir.
Good. No other drugs, firearms, nothing crazy? No. If it's just a little weed pen, okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it cool if we just check real quick?
Go ahead. Help yourself, please.
You're the man. Thank you. You're good. You can check.
Both of you guys, you're welcome to.
Hi, with y'all.
As far as I'm aware, the only thing I got, hold up, I got this pocket knife right here. I'm gonna put it on the hood of your car.
Yeah, throw it right here, my man.
Oh, that's a lighter. Hold up, I know I got one.
Perfect.
Just one.
Dude,
Well, no, I got pulled over the other day by mistake, and I had my pocket knife, and I noticed the officer reached for his gun. I said, "Take it easy."
Tensions rose. Unable to hold it in, the woman exploded. She began screaming, resisting, walking aimlessly, and completely ignoring police commands.
So
Miss Monica,
1820.
make sure she stays with us, okay?
Don't just mess with me since I'm with Chad. Swear to God, all they done is me since I got with him, man. I don't give a fuck. All they done is with me since I got with him, man. And I'm tired of it. I don't have shit to hide. Every time they stop me, I tell them to search my shit, man.
It's okay.
But I'm tired of it.
Miss Monica, come here.
Can you come back over here before you go to jail? I got her. Hey,
Miss Monica, please stay with us, please.
Monica, come back over here.
Miss Monica, you are not allowed to leave at this time. I need you to walk back over there to the car, okay? Thank you.
You guys are ridiculous.
Yes, ma'am.
But they need to stop me and fucking work
Okay,
with their fucking
somebody called them.
ass. I'm gonna work with them.
Doing their job.
They need to stop me and ask me to work with them.
I understand.
Fuck you too. You work with them.
I work with them.
Fuck you.
I work with them.
Fuck them.
I work with them. Are you for real right now?
Every time I've given them what they wanted. Every time.
Are you talking about us, the police?
Every time.
Miss Monica, stay over here.
Stay over here, man.
I'm right fucking here.
Nope,
I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere.
In front of the car.
I'm not going anywhere.
Miss Monica,
I'm not
in
doing
front
anything
of the
wrong.
car.
Legally, I'm not doing shit wrong.
In
Legally,
front
I'm doing
of the
nothing.
car.
Why are you pushing on me?
Because I'm to the front of the car.
I'm standing right here.
You can turn around, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
You can turn around, put your
For
hands
what?
behind your back.
For what?
Turn around, put your hands
For
behind your
what?
back. Because you're not listening to lawful
Yes, I
orders.
am, sir.
Absolutely not.
Yes, I am. I'm standing right here by my vehicle.
Okay. You don't listen. Listen. Yes.
Sir. Call officer. Yep. Okay. It's cool.
I'm not calling anybody.
Oh, you're good. Just hurt me, sir.
I know I am.
I have nothing on me. I don't play with you guys at all. I don't do nothing wrong. I'm just living my fucking life.
Okay. But you sitting out here screaming, walking away from us.
It doesn't feel like I'm moving on with my life. Nothing feels like I'm moving on with my life.
Okay.
Everything feels like Chad Ledford has a hold of it.
Well, Chad Ledford. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It's so south. It still feels like he has control of everything.
Well, don't let him. All right. Hey, so you're gonna sit in my car until we finish up the search.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You want to take the phone?
Sure. I'll make sure nothing happens to it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
When the search began, the final and darkest secret was uncovered. Right beneath her feet, inside a sunglasses case, was none other than methamphetamine.
No, right now she's just being detained because she's all over the place.
I'm sorry.
There's nothing for you to be sorry about. I get it. You're just trying to help her out. You understand. All right.
Are y'all taking my car?
Maybe. I don't know. Is this your car?
Yes, mine.
What belongs to you?
Everything except for that crap right there you just found.
You rep colors?
No, that's
Okay.
just a handkerchief. That's all it is.
I was going to say, nobody rep colors out here. Hey, there was a eyeglass case in there, a little soft eyeglass case. Does that belong to you? Let me show you which one I'm talking about. Are these glasses belong to you?
No. That
No.
belongs to the roommate.
Which roommate?
Don Ward.
Ward. Okay, hey, so this was sitting here right there at your feet. In there it contained 3 different containers of meth. 2 little bags and 1 little container of meth.
Yes, sir.
Just a little bit. I'm not telling you yes or no, I'm telling you it did have it in there,
No,
okay?
I understand what
Yes,
you're telling
ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, so you're being arrested for possession of meth, okay?
Fantastic.
She was charged with possession of under 20 grams of narcotics, resisting arrest without violence, and possession of drug paraphernalia with residue. 2 months later, she was arrested again for domestic battery, this time with a different man, someone who had served over 20 years for murder. According to a report dated December 2nd, 2024, police were called to a residence where a man had visible injuries, signs of a physical altercation. Since both parties had injuries and conflicting statements, police could not determine the primary aggressor, so both were arrested. According to court records, her previous charges had been reduced. However, Randall couldn't stay out of trouble. 6 months later, he was arrested again for credit card fraud and grand theft, involving an amount of up to $320,000. That case is still pending in court. In Illinois, drug possession can be prosecuted as a felony, depending on the type and amount of the substance. For substances like cocaine, heroin, or methamphetamine, Offenders may face between 4 to 15 years in prison.